What did you eat for breakfast this morning?
I eat parathas.
Describe how you make a paratha in English.
Potato. Water. Fire. Potato in. 5 minute potato. Potato out. Kutto potato. फिर चक्को रोटी. Enter potato. Send to tandoor. 2 minute paratha ready ji.
You eat parathas every day?
No, madam. Some day paratha. Some day I vada. I eat paratha every day, madam. I love paratha.